Hello. I'm so excited about last Sunday at the park. Actually, we were at Hope Garden last week. It was so exciting to take the church out from beyond the four walls and to take the Sunday service to those at the Hope Garden. Just want to thank all of you that came, volunteered, you did work, you just got out there, you rolled your sleeves up. Thank you so much. For those of you that couldn't make it, check this out. We just want to show you what happened last week.
Into darkness, open my eyes, let me see beauty that made his heart adore you. Hope of a life spent with you. And here I